Are you struggling or you want to learn how to set up and create a business account or page on Instagram? I know how to do that in a couple seconds here. I will demonstrate in a tutorial how to set up your business on Instagram coming up. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a business Instagram account directly for your business. You have a small business, big business, or a business you never heard about Instagram, you have a personal account, and this can help you to switch the account you have to professional, a business, creator account, whatever. But I'm not going to go with professional and creator account. We're going to focus on business. And I'm a social media marketing specialist, and I produce content in social media marketing and social media management, how to grow your business, small, big, using social media and social media marketing tactics in 2020 updated versions right now. So right now, let me go through my phone, and I made a new Facebook page and Instagram account. And it's not business. This Instagram account is a personal account. I just made it black and blue. So I'm going to go on my phone and screen record this, how to set up a business account. So, okay, I'm going to go on my phone and show you the steps. Okay guys, my camera died, so I need to film on this one. The lens is pretty bad. If you are irritated about the lighting, it's because the lens of this camera. And the lighting is pretty good in my room, it's just the lens of this. I'm sorry about you have to see this, but I'm trying to finish it. And let's talk about what steps you need to go through. I'm going to record on my phone for a little bit. So step one, okay? Step one, create, or if you already have an account, a personal account on Instagram. So if you don't have an account, create an account, do so. If you don't, if you already have an account, stick with the account. So step two right now is go to your Instagram, and that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, I'm going to go to my Instagram, the tutorial Instagram. It's not really mine for a business. So here's the Instagram, Contact Paw Family. That's the username. So the third thing is make it a business profile. You got two ways how to do this. The first one is, do you see the three lines in the top right corner? So click on that one, click settings, and go to account, and then the blue text says switch to professional account. That's what you click, and then you can have the option to creator or business account. And the other way I want to show you is you go to your account here and click edit profile, and you don't switch to there's either switch to professional account or personal information settings. Here you would just switch to professional account. I'm going to just edit profile and switch to professional account for you in this tutorial. Okay, switch to professional account. And here's the options for you, which best describes you, creator or business. For you, if best for retailers, local businesses, brands, organizations, and service providers. For this tutorial, we're going to do a business. But creators like a producer, influencer, artist, DJ, musician, entrepreneur. It's someone has some talent and has it's an influencer. Here we're going to do business. We have a service. Contact Paw Family, and here's the benefit: learn about your followers, audience, get insights about your followers, and see how your posts are performing. You can view your insights, audience, and content, and your activities going. And then continue. Here, I haven't determined what's like my category for this business, because I'm just doing it for a tutorial how to do it for you. Here, I'm going to just say shopping and retail. Next, and here you can fill out any contact information, your email, your business email address, phone number if there is or so, and you can add your billing address. If you have one, your online e-commerce is not really necessary. A landscaping company, roofing, lawn company, you can add the billing address so to make it easier for your customers on Instagram to know where you're located in the area. If you got multiple locations, you just say on your bio, say we have 3 or more locations in the Chicago area. So for this example, I'm just going to add the email and show you what it looks like on the homepage. And here there it is. So here you connect your Facebook page, and I created one for this account, is Pause. And if you want a tutorial, I'm going to do a tutorial on this as soon as possible, how to connect your Facebook page to your Instagram. And the benefit for connecting a Facebook page to an Instagram, and the benefit with having a business Instagram account, is promotions. And so having a business Facebook page, in business Facebook page, you can run those promotions. If you don't have the page yet, you can't run those paid promotions. That's a little benefit for a business Instagram account. And if you don't have a business Facebook page, you can do this later. You can do it later, not just like right now, at this moment right now. So right now I'm just going to go next. And here I'm pretty much done. Instagram tells me complete your profile, share photos and videos, learn from others what they're doing, invite friends. Now I'm just going to X out and see my profile. Here's my profile now. Doesn't have a picture, no bio. It's in a category, and all you see is edit profile, promotions, insights, and email. Here I'm going to show you what's the insights. So if you click insights, here's like the content. If I have posts, got images and videos are doing well, here's like the overview of the posts. Here's the post is going to be, like the engagement, the likes, the views, the shares, and the comments like that, and the stories, the views, amount of views, the people, and the promotions, how the promotions are doing, the discovery, interactions. The activity is more like how like people are interacting to your profile and your posts you're posting, and this is organizes with your followers. And if you click email, and I have a following of customers here, let's say I have 100 followers and I sell like dog products, and if they have a question about what's your website or something like that, they click email, and the Apple email pops up like this. It's more convenient. They can just add a subject headline, a subject email, and then add like their question about what's your website, something simple, and it's really convenient for the customer. And another way you can add insights is go to the 3 lines again, and you can check your insights, your activity, how it's going. And so this is how it's doing in the 2-minute daily average. That's something simple. And for you to know, if you want to do promotions on your account, on your business page here, right here, you need a Facebook page connected to the Instagram account, and you need that page connected to, integrated to a ad account, and the ad account is associated to your payment method to your paid promotions, basically boost posts. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope that really helped you and encourage you more to make, create, and go out there and take action and create and switch your personal account to a business account. If you don't have an account, like I said, just create a business account, and I'll show you in this tutorial how to do so. So I hope you enjoy. Smash the subscribe button and give this video a like to help YouTube's algorithm and to promote other people who need this type of tutorial. It's like small people, and comment down below what kind of business problems or issues you're having, because I'm a social media marketing specialist and I know a lot of social media, and I can help you out, and I do my research on the best what I can in my strategy. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.